You should smile more. Women hate this. Please don't do this because it's associated with the condescending catcalling, and it just really doesn't feel great, to be honest. But I think we've figured out neuroscientifically why men might do this to women. Think of two radios. One is broadcasting clear, positive signals, and the other one on the receiver end is tuning in. This tuning is happening in the brain as well, like interbrain brain activity or interbrain synchrony, which are patterns in two brains that are actually rising and falling at the same time together during live social interaction. And this synchrony is thought to predict greater communication, collaboration, rapport with each other, and so on. This brain-to-brain synchrony tends to be stronger in people who've known each other for longer and they like each other, right? Like romantic partners or coworkers that you've known each other for a long time. But what about people that you meet on the street, the strangers that you pass by? Is it possible that you might be able to evoke a synchronous activity in their brain in seconds? Well, in this new NeuroImage paper, they tested whether strangers could evoke interbrain synchrony within seconds. Something as simple as a smile could do so. Let's talk about that. So the setup was quite simple. Pairs of strangers were assigned either a sender or receiver, and the sender watched some clips of videos that were designed to evoke positive or neutral emotions. And they were asked to basically express in their face what they're feeling for the other receiver person to see. Some of the video clips were basically instructing the sender to show a neutral facial movements, like, when you're making the sound right? That kind of like facial movements. And so the receiver could see that. The receiver person sat there and watched what's going on with the sender. All this happened while both of these people wore their head caps to record the brain activity simultaneously during this live interaction. Functional near-infrared spectroscopy, which is ideal to measure interbrain synchrony. So here's what's interesting. When the sender smiled because of a positive video clip, it automatically resulted in somebody, a smile on the person receiving it too. And at the same time, there's an increased interbrain synchrony between the two people, particularly in regions that are associated with empathy, mirror neuron systems, and cognitive control. It's fascinating. But this did not happen when they're just working with a neutral emotional expression or normal facial movements. What's interesting about the positive smiles is that it made the receiver person feel more positive when there was positive facial expressions. And not only that, it actually generated a facial expression that mimicked the sender. So men, if you want to inspire more smiles from people, like more women on the streets, then you should smile yourself. Don't ask people to smile for you. You got to do that. So essentially, your smile may mimic your smile by actually smiling to you. Brains align, that makes me feel better. So all in all, the positive contagion happened. It's like a contagious positivity actually works. Something as simple as smile.